Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically copy screenshots to your clipboard in ShareX. So let's get straight into it. Now open the ShareX main window, then go here to the left side and click after capture tasks. So click on that. Now find copy image to clipboard. So right here, as you can see, copy image to clipboard. Click it so it becomes bold, just like that. This indicates that the task is active. So once this is bold, every time you take a screenshot, ShareX will immediately place the image data onto your clipboard. So you can test it now. Now we have also some different. So if you want to copy the actual image, ensure that the copy image to clipboard is bold, as we said. Now, to copy the URL after uploading, ensure copy URL to clipboard is also bold in the same menu. So for that, upload image to host. This one will be, or save image to file. So you can do that you can put both of them to bold. And yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.